I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel. In this video, I just wanted to share very quickly how I use the Happy Planner pen cases. And I use all different ones. Right now I happen to be using this one because it's rose gold. It has a strap on the back that you can slide right over your planner, and it should fit a mini or a classic size planner. Just strap it on or don't. Zip it and you can put in your whatever goodies. I have some little sticky notes in there and I put my pens in there. And this is what I have found has been so super helpful with having 10,000 different pens and colors and not ever being able to find the ones I want. Once a month, I pull out the pens that are going to match with my spreads for that month. And I put them all in my pen case and I keep my pen case with my planner. So that way I'm never looking for pens again. Let me show you how we're going to set up for this month. So now that I've got my October planner set up, here's the link to the video of that. For the month of October in my main planner, I'm using the Think Dream, what's it called? Think Dream Planner. Oh, that's not it. It's called GeoDreams. And I just use either the black Papermate Flare pen or the black Papermate Ink Joy gel pen. Those are both medium point. So I'll put those in my pen case. And then for social media, I'm using the Socialite planner. And in this planner, I'll be using the blue Papermate Flare pen. So that will go in my pen case. And then for my budget planner, I'm using the monthly Vintage Botanicals. Haven't done any decoration in that yet, but I just use the black pens again in that planner. Next up is the Agate Happy Planner, and I use this one for gratitude journaling. I'll write in 3 things each day to be grateful for, and this one is one that I use colored pens for. So every month I find like 2 colors that match the planner for that month. Let's look at the cover. Sometimes I'll match to the cover, and sometimes I'll just pick what I want to use. So this time we're using like a periwinkle Papermate Flare and a navy Papermate Flare, and I'll alternate. So this day will be navy, this will be periwinkle, and so on. So those will go in my pen case. Then this is the horizontal One Day at a Time planner, and it has colored lines on each page, and I actually love that. And I have pens to match. So like Friday, I will write in something in pink, Saturday in teal, Sunday in purple, and Thursdays are in this color, light blue, sky blue. So those 4 pens go in my pen case. Next up, this month, for the month of October, I'm trying this out for the first time, which is the Color Splash Dashboard Planner. And I'm going to use it as my fitness and positivity inspiration planner. So this page will be focused on fitness, tracking my workouts. And this page, I just want to do like a fun inspiration, positivity kind of page here. I will use the black pens again in here because I'll have a lot of colored stickers. Sometimes I do use colored pens, but I think this time will just be the black pens. So now I've got my pens all in my pen case, my planners all together in one planner, and I am ready to go.
Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.